Hey, is your bed just too close to the ground, or does it make noises because it needs some more support underneath it? Got something in today that I want to show you what will help prevent that. These are bed support risers, bed support legs. I say risers because they go from 7.8 inches up to 12.2 inches. You can raise that up. Just unscrew that. You can kind of see, I didn't go all the way up, but from 7.8 inches to 12.2 inches. Holds up to 1,000 pounds. Not each one, but a combined. You know, you put 4 of these in each corner of your bed, or you can put them down the center of your beds around your bed slats. You can just bolt. Where is it? I know it has them. There they are. Just bolt these plates. Has all the hardware, nuts and bolts and whatnot. But then you got your board there. Then you can bolt that to that board. Run it down the center of your bed. There you go. You can probably sit better. Or if you have like the square tubing bed frame, you can bolt it onto there, like so. Also, if you had a regular chair, you know, with a square wooden frame bottom, you could put these on that to raise that chair up if you'd like. Really nice, easy device to install to get your bed up higher, or just give it some extra support down the center. If you'd like to get you some of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own. Also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. There it is. Nice little bed support legs or risers. However, they would be legs, but if you wanted to raise it, they would be risers. Well, there you have it. Nice little pieces of hardware to put under your bed or your chair. Give it a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.